Hot melt glue sealing automatic cartoning machine. Check out our automatic multi-function cartoning machine. The cutting-edge new model with PLC control, streamlined structure, easy maintenance, wide applicability, and high production efficiency. This high-tech integration of pneumatic, photoelectric, and mechanical systems handles blisters, bottles, pouches, injections, cosmetics, food, tubes, and more. Driven by precise photoelectric controllers for stable operation and consistent quality. It features 1.4 fold leaflet auto-folding, suction carton opening, product, leaflet insertion, batch number printing, sealing, and an optional hot glue device. It works standalone or links with filling, blister packing, shrink machines, etc. to form a full production line. Ideal for pharmaceutical, food, daily use, hardware, auto parts, plastic, entertainment, and living paper industries. Your all-in-one cartoning solution. HENGYUAN focus on efficient packaging machines.